Ozark. Get a ball, see if you play with it. It's Ozark. We sent the other dogs outside so we could try to see just her. Don't let her jump up. There you go. Can't forgive you kisses. She's too interested in you. Ozark. Hey, come here. Come here, Ozark. Come here. Yeah. Come here, see that cute face. Yeah, she's got like, on the top of her head looks like a little heart. Did you see it? It's like, whoops, hold still. It's like a heart. And then she's got some more on the back of her. Very cute. Very cute. Don't be running too much. Whoops. Brindle is Alexis. Another beautiful girl. Which I think has been outside running around.
They're called the Noodle and stuff. Ozark.
Let them play together. Just step back.
She'll come with me.
No, she won't. She'll play with the girls. Okay, go play. There. Whoops. Get her, Ozark. I don't know where all the balls went. Where'd the balls go? Woo! There's Cookie, one of our boxers. Lexi! Give it to Lexi. Let Lexi get it.
Jump. Jump.
Uh-oh. Yeah, Alexis. And there's Ace. All three of these are fosters. And they all play well together. Get it, Ozark! Meow. Let them play. Ace is going to come over and get it. Alexa's. She don't get a drink of water. Ozark, come here. Come here. Bring the ball. Come here. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Can you sit? Sit. Come here. Show them how you sit. 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 Sit down. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Her's sad and didn't. Her's sad. Her's got the funniest ears. Are you getting rough? Are you getting rough? Show them how you have those little airplane ears. Huh? Show them the airplane ears. Here. Meow. Uh-oh. Her and Ace play and play, and Ace gets on his back, and she jumps on him like he's a trampoline. And Alexis and Ace play a lot too. They're just tired from playing outside. Isn't that right, Alexis, huh? Tell them how beautiful you are. Hmm? Okay.
There's those airplane ears.
Got airplane ears? Let me see. Let's see those airplane ears. Come here. Let's see the airplane ears. Hey, careful. Over the airplane ears. There they are. Oh, now you got them down. Put them up. Come on. Put them up with those funny ears. Oh, she got them up. Uh-oh. What's happening? Look at those ears.
Get it.
Call Alexis.
Get it. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Oh, nice. Good.
There.
Pretty
Now
ball.
that's a handful of boxers there. Isn't it? Isn't it? You guys want a cookie? Okay, let's see if you can get a cookie.
Everybody got to sit.
Whoops. Okay, Ace. Sit for cookie. Good boy. Sit. You better sit. Are you sitting? Okay. Sit. Oops, wrong doggy. Try to take a picture. Cookie, sit. Good girl. Who we got over here? Lexi, sit. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Want to try it one more time? No, sit. Sit. I already know you're sitting. Okay. Okay. That's about as goofy as I'm thinking.